Back pain isn't normal. Here's how we treat it right. Back pain can make you feel helpless. You stop lifting things. You avoid activities you once loved. You even begin to question your body's strength. But here's the truth. Back pain is treatable. It's not something you have to live with it. Whether it's a dull ache, a shooting pain down the leg, or a stiffness that never fully goes, your back is trying to tell you something. Our job is to listen, evaluate, and treat the root cause. Common causes of back pain include poor lifting technique, weak core muscles, disc bulge or herniation, nerve irritation like sciatica, poor posture at workstations. Pain is a message. Our role is to decode it. My approach blends hands-on therapy, dry needling, core training, and movement retraining. You won't just feel better, you will move better. First exercise is pelvic tilt on the wall. It helps to reconnect your deep core and understands neutral spine. Next is bird dog progression. It strengthens lumbar spine stability and coordination. Next is glute bridge with isometric hold. Targets hip extension and offloads the pressure from your spine. These aren't random movements. Each one is selected for your body based on what you need to recover and return to real life. Why hasn't my back pain gone away, even after rest and medication? Because medication masks the symptoms. Unless we correct the mechanics, posture, mobility, strength, it's just going to come back. What if I had an MRI that shows a disc problem? That's helpful, but pain isn't always about what shows up on a scan. I have helped many patients with disc issues get better through movement and manual therapy. How long does it take to recover fully? It depends on the severity and how long you have had it. But most people feel improvement within the first 2 to 3 weeks.
I was told to consider surgery, but with Hemal gave me another path. I can walk for hours pain-free.
You don't need to live your life guarding your back. Let's create a plan that makes you stronger, more flexible, and confident again, one movement at a time. Call 587-873-8808 to schedule your back health consultation with Hemal. Relief, recovery, and resilience. Your new journey starts here at Henday Physio.